progressive election result announcement system. Two words that bear emphasis there is simultaneous and progressive election result system. Our submission in this regard is that the technology deployed by the IBC for the conduct of the 2022 general elections completely failed the standards of a secure, transparent electronic voting system, and thereby yielded what has aptly been described by my colleagues as an unverifiable, inaccurate, and therefore invalid results. Our further submission in this regard is that the technology was so inherently corrupted, manipulated, and tainted that the results declared by Mr. Chebukati, the third respondent, cannot be, in an objective case, said to be representative of the true will of the Kenyan people, as we and as I will demonstrate in my further submissions. On the evidence, the components, principles that ought to have been met in order to meet the constitutional standard of a secure and transparent system are as follows. Confidentiality is the first one I propose to deal with. This requires that the information within the process